Welcome to 320 Kings Way in Highlands Reserve. This home has been meticulously well kept and has only been ever used as a vacation home by the previous two owners. This home is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just under 2,400 square feet. So you can watch the sunrise out on the pool deck in the morning while golfers are chipping towards the 16th green. This home will be maintenance-free for years to come. The roof, gutters, and pool heater were all replaced in 2019, along with the exterior paint. The hot water heater was also replaced in 2024, and best of all, there's no carpeting. So take advantage of all that the Highlands Reserve community has to offer with its 18-hole public golf course and clubhouse, a community pool, tennis courts, and a playground, all for just under $600 annually. The community of Highlands Reserve is zoned short-term rental, long-term rental, or single-family homes. I'm Kelly French, your Orlando short-term rental expert. For more information on this property or others in the community, call me at 352-988-4975.